All right, I had to drag him back. He graciously came back. You were about out the door. I knew you. That's where you're heading because it is.
Well, almost got away.
You did, and it's like, no. Everybody's like anxiously waiting for this to get posted. You're going to act like you're working now.
Yeah.
Good job. I like it.
How's
So,
that?
I see more wires.
Yeah.
This is part 5 or
Yeah,
part 4.
This is going to the overdrive. What I've done, I've got the hot all hooked up to an accessory, and then I've run the indicator lights. They're going to be up here in the console.
Okay, going to the overdrive. I'm looking at cables wire. So this is part of the overdrive is mounted somewhere. There it is.
Yeah, it's on up there.
It's mounted up there.
Yeah, and I've got it all into the accessory. And,
Tidy.
I'm trying to, but a lot of
actually,
wires.
today's theme should be pre-planned.
Yeah.
Have you thought this out before you start sticking stuff up there?
Yeah, you have to. You have to do a little studying because you're still going to have all the ECU, for the throttle body injection and all that.
And then you gonna have the AC unit in there. So
Got to have the AC.
Get in the way of that.
And you got to leave this open for that. And see, this will tuck up in there.
Yep.
And there's the hot for the AC unit.
All right.
And
you found some new buttons. Did
yeah.
Okay, so this is for the.
Had them, but they got away.
Oh, here you go. There you go.
Yeah, see that'll be for the line lock.
Okay.
And this will be for the overdrive.
That's way better than what was that other contraption?
This.
Yeah, a headlight.
Yeah. What I plan on doing, making a little console right here with them both together, and then cover it a little box and just have them right there handy.
That'll look good, and you can kind of see the carpeted area.
Yeah.
So you use that metal probably.
Yeah, I'll probably make it out of metal so it won't be flexible.
TCI shifter box is just right here, and then it's all under here. You created that.
Yeah, and I
looked, I
thought, well, there'd be a light in here. This indicator, there isn't a light inside of there.
No, that would have been cool.
That would have been cool, yeah. But it's not. But then the indicator lights for the line lock will be up here on the dash. But then for the overdrive, I'm putting them up here in the console. That's for the overdrive.
Okay, so you changed
your mind.
You changed your mind already. Were you gonna put them all up there, or did you change your?
Well, I think if we separate them, it'd be easier to keep up with.
Okay, well it's the weekend, so last time I told Joe to speak up or forever hold your peace.
Yeah.
Well, you did it before I got a chance to upload the video.
Oh, okay.
So on this one, we're gonna upload it. I'm assuming maybe Joe's listening. I'm gonna need to give him a call. For watching. So what are you gonna put up there again?
Well, it's gonna be the indicator lights for the overdrive.
The overdrive will be up on top.
Okay, and then of course the TV screen for the backup camera, and then the windshield wiper. I'm gonna put the switch up here too.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah, and try to keep the dash as clean as I can.
But it's already pretty full.
Yeah, it's pretty full.
I mean, it looks good, but then you got
full.
that great big old tack. Here it is, right here.
Yeah.
It's gonna go on the.
Yeah, it'll be on the steering column.
The steering column right there.
It'll be sitting up here.
Would
and
be
the
good.
Steering column. Because you can't mount it up there. It's ain't enough thickness.
No, and then so what lights are we gonna put up here? We're gonna put we got the high beam, low beam indicator.
The high beam indicator will be right here, and then the signals will be one here and one over
signals
here.
There.
Yeah, so it'll start getting pretty full as time I'm doing.
Then we need to make a bracket maybe down here or somewhere for the AC. Or
yeah, the AC usually comes with a little bit of a console with a thing, and I usually put them right here.
Yeah.
Right under here, and where it comes down, you'll have two knobs right here and here.
Kind of modify it a little bit to make it fit like
it belongs.
Yeah,
usually have to modify it. Cut a little plastic, and yeah.
And then we still got the pins for the door windows. Has this got door handles or has it got?
It's got door handles.
Door handles.
I've already run the wires, the hot wires back here for the pins for the doors.
And then we talked about grounds yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah.
So grounds are important.
Oh,
so I had somebody make a comment about a buddy of his was like the expert in GM, and they put him on the Corvettes that had a problem, and he said, again, he agreed, 90% of the time, you got a ground issue of some sort.
Well, I think we showed last time, I've got those big black wires are running straight to the frame. On this
and what that does, this is all welded together and all the way up behind the dash.
Yeah, and there's even a brace coming across the dash.
Yep.
And it's all together in here.
So you ground it once.
Yeah, just like in the back here. See, I brought one up to this, so all this is ground.
So that's all grounded.
All the way over here.
You can grab a ground wherever you want it then.
Yeah, exactly.
Grab your ground up there.
Yep.
So make sure that's grounded the frame. Make sure your motor's grounded. because you got rubber mounts or something. I don't think this one's hard mounted, but it's always good to ground the motor also.
Yeah, no, I grounded the motor. Already have.
All right,
I took it off transmission mount and mounted it up on the transmission. So it's
we're pretty
grounded.
good. What other contraptions we got going on here? You got the box.
That's about it for now. The line lock and the overdrive.
Line lock and overdrive.
Yeah. But I've already got the fuel pump is all wired in with the relay. And then also there's a cooling fan on the oil cooler. It's remote. And it's hooked up too.
Okay.
Yeah. It's got the cooling fan and all that.
I'll have to crawl around under the car another day.
Yeah.
So we can talk about that.
Right.
You're looking like you're 2, 3, or 4 episodes away from being done here.
Yeah, right. Just getting started.
Getting started.
Yeah.
So actually, it's
coming along.
We're about 6 minutes into our video here, so you're not working too much overtime. Yeah, I think you're a couple minutes into overtime.
Trying to stuff Cadillac wiring into a Volkswagen. You know, it's what it amounts to.
But it's going to be a fast Volkswagen.
Yeah, little small spaces.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Well, yeah. So we had to extend the frame on this.
Yeah.
I'm saying that. I'm assuming we extended the frame. I'm sure we did.
Yes, we did.
To fit a big block
in there. Yeah.
That's a big old motor.
Yeah.
Won't be too long. You'll be wiring on the outside here.
Yeah, I'll get all this done, and then I'll put the ECU and all that. Then we got to worry about all this stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
It looks like they got a lot of plugs though, so that's an easy way to do it.
Yeah. Lots of plugs.
So I'm looking at it, but I ain't looking at it through the camera.
Yeah. But anyway, it won't be too bad. Kind of plug and play.
Plug and play.
They ain't too bad.
And I was reading the instructions, and it looks like it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
I was kind of wishing I could just clear my brain, but I'm actually over on Mike's car.
Oh yeah.
I'm working on the hood. I'm doing an edited version.
Yeah, I heard you grinding over there.
Yeah, we backed up on that thing and went forward and backed up.
Yeah.
So pretty much I'm the guy.
Yeah.
We got this big old place. I pulled in the parking lot this morning and I'm like, where's all the cars? We're gonna fit 100 cars in the parking lot. It's like,
yeah.
So anyway, I'm working on the hood and actually doing a video. I'm going backwards, but it's going to go together right.
Right.
And I got my old dolly. I'm doing metal work, and I got my hammer that I've had for 30 years. So I'm doing a little metal work. So we'll get that done. All right. So very good. I had somebody was complimenting you on one of the comments.
Oh.
I said you'll be done here and you'll go home work on cars.
Yeah.
Unless it's deer season, of course. Or the crappie are
like
spawning.
Tonight I'm going fishing.
Okay, so I got that right. So when I answered his post, I got that right.
Yeah.
You're either gonna find you in the garage somewhere, or on the lake, or in the woods.
Yeah, pretty much.
So, oh, you and your wife, you do the car show thing all the time.
Yeah, I'm going car show tomorrow and help somebody move Sunday. So.
Oh, well, okay.
Yeah. Gonna take my old '68 Chevy pickup over there.
Very good.
Yeah.
So we give them 8 minutes and 37 seconds worth.
All right.
So that's our show for today.
Show for the day.